Go.
Open it up.
See Pip point. Who is this by?
It is by David Milgrom.
By David Milgrom. See Pip point. See Pip point. Point, 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 point. Please auto share. Thank you, Auto. There goes Pip. Pip, go. Go, go, go. Uh-oh. I can't even see Auto. I don't like it. I can't even see Pip. Pip's like, hey, Pip's okay. No, that's not Pip. That's Auto. It's Auto. See Pip go up. See Pip go way up. See Pip go up, up, and away. CV the bee. CV the bee fly. CV the bee fly in his sleep. Hop! Look out, bee. Look out, V. Be quiet, Jude. Be dead. Oh, God, go
Let Sandy read.
See Pip go down. See Pip go way down. See Pip go down to the ground. There's Pip right here.
I know, you made it so I couldn't see him.
Look. Look out here. Stop. Be quiet. Look out. Look, Auto. Look. Here comes Auto. Hurry, Auto, hurry.
Can't see you.
See Auto says Pip. Thank you, Auto. Uh-oh. See Auto and Pip go. Pip crash. Now go. See Auto and Pip splash. Yep. Uh-oh. See Pip point. Is that good? By rubber, by that. Grade 1. Oh.
You don't have to read the back. Just look at the camera once.
The
The end.
end.